Hello and welcome to our uplifting yoga flow. I'm so happy you're here. Let's begin in Shavasana today. So lay down onto your back. Place one hand to your belly, the other hand to your heart. Close your eyes if that feels good. And take this moment to allow yourself to step away from your day and to arrive on your mat in the present moment. Try to relax every muscle, your jaw, the space between your eyebrows. Slowly extend your arms over your head, find a full body stretch, finding length all the way down from your fingertips to your toes. And then hug your knees into your chest. Place your right hand to your right knee, left hand to your left. And begin to draw circles in the opposite direction. So draw both knees in, bring them out to the side, away and back to center. Again. Let's do one more in this direction. And reverse, 3 circles. Back to center, hold your knees there. And then rock yourself up to seated Sukhasana, so sitting with your legs crossed. Take a deep inhalation, reach your arms high, and exhale, twist to the left. Right hand to your left knee, left hand just behind you on the mat. Stretch your left arm over to the right side and place your left hand to the back of your head. Lift your gaze towards your left elbow. And with your next exhalation, rotate your left elbow down towards your right knee. And inhale, lift up again. 2 more. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Once more. Once you're up, release into the twist again. Left hand comes down, gaze to the left side. And then keep your hands down as you turn forward. Change the crossing of your legs, so other leg is in front. Inhale your arms high and exhale, twist to the right. Reach your right arm over to the left. Place your right hand to the back of your head, lift your gaze towards the right elbow. And with your exhalation, rotate down. And inhale, lift. 2 more. Next time you come up, release back into your twist. Right hand comes down. Turn forward again and find tabletop. Tuck your toes and lift up, downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs at any movement you wish. Find stillness. Then bend your knees, step both knees to the mat and lift up, downward facing dog. 3 more. Tap your knees and lift. For 2, 1. Hold your down dog. Roll forward into plank. And then lower all the way down onto your belly. Slide your forearms forward, sphinx pose. Elbows slightly in front of your shoulders, palms down, forearms parallel. If it feels good for you, you can try to roll out your neck a little bit. We're here for 1 more breath. Back to center and try to lift your elbows off the mat, cobra variation. Lower down again, slide your palms to your ribs and lift up, cobra or upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Three-leg dog. Lift your right leg back. And then draw your right knee forward, close to your chest, press the mat away. And 3-leg dog. Step your right foot forward and rise up, warrior 2. Place your left hand to your left hip, and for peaceful warrior, stretch your right arm back. Then for side angle, place your right hand to your right hip and reach your left arm forward. Let's do that again. Peaceful warrior, left hand to your left hip. And side angle, right hand to hip. Reverse triangle, left hand to your left leg, stretch back, extending your front leg. And for dragon pose, bring both hands to the mat, to the inside of your front foot. Drop your back knee down and walk your right foot, your front foot, to the edge of your mat. Place it slightly diagonal. Let the foot roll onto its side to drop the knee away from you. You can place your right hand to your right knee if that feels good, or you can keep both hands on the mat. We're staying here for a couple of breaths, so just find any variation that feels good for you. Now to release, we're going into tabletop. First, bring your hands and back knee closer together, and then place your right knee next to your left. Sink back to child's pose. And return to downward facing dog. Lift your hips up. Again, maybe add some movement. And let's do the other side. Lift your left leg high, three-leg dog. Draw your left knee forward and extend. Step forward, warrior two. Place your right hand to your right hip, stretch back, peaceful warrior. And side angle, left hand to your left hip, right arm reaches forward. One more time like this, peaceful warrior. And side angle. Reverse triangle. And dragon pose. Bring both hands to the inside of your front foot. Walk the left foot to the left. Turn it out and let the knees sink away from you. Your left foot can roll onto its edge again. And then take deep breaths here. Slowly release. Bring your left knee to meet your right, tabletop, and sink back, child's pose. Arms in any variation, so you can keep them forward, rest them by your sides, maybe stay on your forearms, or make a little pillow with your hands to rest your forehead on. If it feels good, gently roll your forehead from side to side. And then slowly roll up to thunderbolt. Place both hands to your heart and send love and gratitude to yourself for taking this time for yourself, for stepping on the mat today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel a little bit better and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye!